This kit, for the first 2 weeks, I used nothing but the kit, and then I started running low on different supplies, and I had to start incorporating some of the page kits that I put together at the end of last year. So, let's just dive right in and show you what I have left. From all the 12 by 12, 6 by 6, and 8 by 6 pieces of paper that I had in this kit, this is what I have left. I have one branding strip left. So, that's a score. These were in my kit as well, and they were, for the most part, I mean, this one, I used all the little stars down here except for this green one, and I used pretty much everything. But so I'm actually thinking about doing a layout with this navy, pink, green, and gray color scheme because I really like that. And then the hearts I actually got a lot of these used, and I feel good about that. So for the thickers, I had 2 sheets of this, so I used a lot of these. I even was able to use some of those numbers. I was trying to cut them and make them into letters, and then just what I didn't need over there. So those I got some. I used a couple of these. There's not a lot of vowels left. I'm not sure if I used these or not, but I think I tried, so there's not a lot of those left. I did use some of these up, but we do have a lot of vowels. These don't stick very well, so I don't remember, but I don't think I used any of these. And then I did use some of those. Oh, in those. So I got some use, but not a lot. That didn't get used. I didn't really have any mountain. I did use some of these, not a lot, but this is something that, I didn't use any of that. I mean, that was already used, but I was able to dig into this a bit. It's more of a planner type thing, but I was able to get some items used out of it, so that's good. I had a couple envelopes. I used one of them. All the doilies that I had grabbed and put in this kit, I had used. So, I actually, down there I have a whole bunch more doilies, but I only grabbed so many. I was actually able to use the stars on a layout. I did use a couple of these, not a lot. I had a whole bin of green gems and stuff, a little bitty container like that, and I used all that up. That's what's left in my sequin mix. And I used maybe 1 or 2 paper clips, if that, so I didn't really grab for those. I used a couple of those. I had these tags as well. I think I only used 1. I successfully used all the brown twine that I had, and then I grabbed, so this blue is almost gone, and then I grabbed some green as well. I was able to eliminate 1 roll of washi tape, but I still have a lot. I didn't use any of those. That was used prior. I used some of these. I used the flower. I was able to get into this. I only have 1 of these left, so that's pretty good. Oh, that didn't go there. I used the most of that sheet, some of that sheet, which I don't even know, I don't think that sheet went in there, I'm sorry. And then I was able to get, I used these word stickers, so that was pretty good. We used a lot of the stickers, like This guy only has a couple left on it, and it was a full sheet, so that's... so then for the ephemera bin that I had, the die cut bin, this is all I have left. Not a lot. I remember it was completely chocked full, so that is all that I have left there. And then I had a bin that was just like that for like dimensional stuff, like flowers and twine and like ribbon and stuff. And I literally have a snowflake and a train left in that whole bin. And that is it. That is all that I have left from that kit. And I mean, I feel very good about it. So I am going to once again make a large kit for March, and I will have that filmed and ready for you guys later on. So thanks, and I thumbs up if you like the video, and watch again to see what kind of layouts I got from this, and plus the additional page kits that I added. So thanks, and have a nice day. Bye.